No sound on your MacBook Neo? If your built-in speakers are mute despite the volume being at max, don't panic. Here is the fast fixes to solve your audio issues and get your Mac talking again. First, if any Bluetooth headphones or speakers are connected to it, open Control Center, go to Sound Settings, and make sure to set the output to your MacBook's speakers. Or simply turn off Bluetooth if you want. Then make sure the speaker volume is turned up. Also, check the app or platform you're trying to listen to music, and make sure the sound isn't accidentally muted in there. Alright, if everything is okay, still no sound, give your MacBook Neo a simple restart just in case the sound issue is happening due to any minor software glitch. After the restart, before going further, check for any pending software updates. If there's any update, install them, because outdated software can cause random audio issues. Your problem should be solved by now. If not, here are two advanced methods to reset the audio settings. First, open Spotlight Search and type terminal. Open it and enter this exact command, sudo space kill all space core audio D. Press enter, type in your Mac password, and press enter again. This will reset the audio system. For the second method, open Finder. From the top menu, go to Go, then select Computer. Open Library, then search for the Preferences folder. When you find it, enter, and enter the audio folder. You'll see files inside in .plist format. Select all of them and move them to Trash. Then empty the trash. This will clear the audio cache and reset sound settings at one go. And if there's no hardwire problem on your Neo's built-in speakers, you will hear the sound loud and clear. Thanks for being with us.